Hi everyone. I'm going to do a demonstration with my circuit judge. It's a 410 that has a 5-shot revolver in it. It's kind of like a extended revolver. And I'm going to have 5 different shots. I'm going to shoot a 45 hollow point, a 2.5-inch game shot with 8 shot in it, a 3-inch slug, hollow point slug, and a 3-inch triple op buck, I think it is. It has 5 round pellets in it, and the other one is a defender round. It's a 3-inch defender round which shoots some pellets as well as flat discs. So this TV is about to have a bad day. Let's make sure we're clear. Yeah, we're all clear. And I was having a little bit of trouble with the safety there. It's a new gun to me. But you can see the TV actually did have a bad day. And you see some of the pellets, when I shot with the game shot, the pellets went there on the bottom. And there's one hole up there, which I'm not sure what round that was from. But you saw that first round, which I believe was the hollow point, just went right through. And you can see it went all the way right through the back. And it's probably stuck in this tree somewhere. But every shot is right on. And I do always recommend shooting downhill, and if you could have something like this big tree behind you, you know, because you can't be too careful with guns. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in my next video.